Onions, they're everywhere in cooking. You find them in kitchens around the world. From Asia to America, onions add flavor to dishes. Onions are like a secret weapon for cooks. They can make food taste sweet or savory. Onions are the base for so many recipes. Whether you're making a soup or a stew, onions are there. They add depth and complexity to our favorite meals. Let's learn more about these amazing vegetables. Onions come in all shapes and sizes, each with a unique flavor. Yellow onions are the most common. They have a strong, pungent taste. Yellow onions are great for cooking. White onions are a bit milder. They have a sharper, cleaner flavor. White onions are good for salsas and guacamole. Red onions are known for their beautiful color. They have a slightly sweet, mild flavor. Red onions are delicious in salads. Then there are sweet onions like Vidalia onions. These onions are super sweet and perfect for eating raw. Have you ever chopped an onion and suddenly felt your eyes stinging? Onions release a gas that irritates our eyes. This is a natural defense mechanism for onions. When we cut an onion, we break open its cells. These cells release a gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This gas mixes with the water in our eyes. This reaction creates sulfuric acid, which causes a burning sensation. Our eyes water to wash away the irritant. Don't worry though, the tears are temporary, and the flavor the onion brings is worth it. Section 4, from raw to roasted onions in the culinary arena. Onions are incredibly versatile. We can use them in countless ways in the kitchen. Onions can be eaten raw, cooked, or even pickled. Raw onions add a sharp bite to salads and sandwiches. Cooked onions become meltingly tender and sweet. They form the base of soups, stews, and sauces. Roasted onions bring out their natural sweetness. They are delicious as a side dish or a topping for pizza. Try caramelized onions for a special treat. Slow-cooked onions turn brown and caramelized. They are sweet and savory. Section 5. More than just flavor, onions and your health. Besides their incredible flavor, onions offer numerous health benefits. Onions are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Onions have been shown to boost our immune systems. They can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Onions even have anti-inflammatory properties, so eating onions is not only delicious, but also good for you. Section 6. Embrace the onion. Onions are an indispensable ingredient in kitchens all over the world. From their pungent aroma to their sweet, caramelized flavor, onions enhance our culinary creations. Next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to use onions liberally. Experiment with different varieties. Try different cooking methods. Embrace the onion in all its glory. Remember, a dish without an onion is like a day without sunshine, a little dull. So go ahead, grab an onion and get cooking.